Welcome message for new subscribers in Smart Center. Customizing the first message. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this video tutorial, you will know how to customize the first welcome message. Like and subscribe to our channel. When create the first welcome message, you need to go another menu. Click the menu Smart Messenger, Grow Tools, and here we have welcome message. The first welcome message is sent only to those subscribers who will find your chatbot and write to it first. For example, this will be useful for Facebook Messenger, as it is the messenger of your business page. A user finds your Facebook page and asks you a question. They write to the messenger and will automatically get a welcome message. This message will be received by the user once at the moment of the subscription. If the user has previously subscribed to your bot using another scheme, the message will not be sent to him. What we can write in this message? Thanks, the user essentially found you by himself. Tell first of all about your businesses, your services, or your products. Let's imagine a small scenario. You have a toy store and you can offer the user the following menu. Click in this menu Welcome Message and create our first message. We choose only this menu. We don't create a new. Click in this and we see same interface than menu funnels. Here we choose any messages when we work. Close this menu and add some text. Automatically continue. It is technical step. Here we add the text. Hi, you have joined our Playland community. You can find about our store here or write a question to our manager. Choose the menu below and add some emoji. Okay. The first button, for example, website. It is site with my store. Open website and I paste any link now and save. My next button will be write to our manager. Okay. Oh, it's very long text. Write to manager. Yeah. When user clicks this button, he will be receive next message. I use user input block and I ask some question. Enter your question and I need to save answer some variables. I go my main console and create these variables. It's main menu, variables, and create. Oh, I have some. I copy and create new variables. For example, 25 is type. It is string and continue. Come back my funnels. Here it is text and I save response to custom field question 25, sorry. Okay. I add next message. We say thank you for user. Thank you, question received. Your manager will write soon. And I add some notification for manager. Perform action. click Add to Action and Add Notification. Here I choose the manager and write text only for manager. I choose the name, this user, first name, and hi. There's a question in the chat. I add a link, this chat. I will leave the link in the description of the video. Okay, this is my link, and you need to change your project name. I am copy my project name. It is after equal, copy and change here. And you need do the same and confirm. Okay, I have notification and publish. Here we can test the funnel many times, but remind the user will get it only when he is a new subscriber and only once. Okay guys, click the button preview, choose a Telegram, and here click a button start. Hi, you have joined our Playland community. You can find information about our store here or write a question to our manager. Choose the menu below. When user chooses some menu, the chatbot sends another message. Okay guys, this is just a short example, but you can create such a scenario as you need. Today you learned how to create a message for users who will find you on their own on the web and write to your chatbot. Like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new lesson. See you soon guys!